power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Willys in Sting Gray. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, command and track part-time 4-wheel drive system, remote start system, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number 904738.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.